I've lived in an RV with my dog Ted for 8 years. Here are my top tips for RV living with dogs. Tip 1. Buy an RV for your dog. It's super important to consider your dog when selecting an RV to call home. Find an RV that has sufficient space for your dog's kennel or other large accessories. Also, try to find an RV with no carpeted floors. It will be so much easier to keep clean. Tip 2. Print vet records. When living in an RV, you will likely have to visit more than one vet each year. Ask each vet to print out a hard copy of your dog's record so you always have the information on hand. Even if you don't live in an RV, it is a good idea to keep a hard copy of your dog's records, as you may be asked for proof of vaccines at campgrounds. Having the records will also be helpful if your pet has an emergency and has to go to a new vet while you are traveling. Tip 3. Tag your dog. Make sure your dog is easily identifiable in case they get lost. Discuss microchipping with your vet, put an air tag on their collar, and have them wear an ID tag with your phone number. Ted once ran off at a Florida campground, but we located him quickly because fellow campers were able to call us. Tip 4. Plan dog-friendly activities. Instead of leaving your dog alone in the RV all the time, try to find dog-friendly activities. To find dog-friendly restaurants, events, and dog parks, I use the website Bring Fido. This site shows you pet-friendly places all over the country. RV living with dogs is so much more fun if they are part of your adventures. Tip 5. Book dog grooming in advance. One challenge unique to full-time RVers is finding dog groomers and boarding services all over the country. In many areas, it can be difficult to find quality groomers and dog sitters who have openings for new clients. For Ted's grooming appointments, we have found that we usually need to start calling 2 months in advance to reliably get an appointment. This means we also have to plan where we will be 2 months in advance. You can find plenty more tips on RV living with dogs in the description. Happy camping!